Welcome back to the second video. Now, in this video, we're going to talk all about finding your passions. Now, why on earth is this important? Because if you don't like what you're doing, then why in the world would you do it in the first place? This is not because you just want to make $1 million, because I'm going to tell you right now, I've gone through lots of students, over hundreds and hundreds of students, and a lot of them have chosen industries and niches that they thought was like, oh my God, this is the niche that's going to make me the money. And then they didn't show up because they weren't passionate about it. And then all of a sudden they came back months later going like, oh, I really wanted to do this, but I didn't choose it because I didn't think it was going to make me money. So I went with the one that I thought was going to make money, and I failed because I gave up. That's not what I want for you. I want you to pick something that you like, because if you like it, then you'll actually show up for it, okay? So this is not about what you think you should be passionate about. This is not what you think other people think you should be passionate about. This is all about what you are passionate about. This is about what lights you up, what brings you that excitement, that enjoyment, that thing that piques your interest when you see it online, when you read it in a book, when you're going through the mall and you're like, ooh, I saw this, I liked it. This has everything to do with your interest, okay? Now, the reason that I keep hitting this over and over and over in your head is because at the end of the day, you're the one that's gonna have to show up for this. If you're building out a social media page, if you are creating digital products to make money, or you're building out a community, you have to show up for this niche and industry that you've picked for yourself, okay? You gotta show up, you gotta put in the work, you gotta learn about it. Ooh, you're gonna have to learn about it, and you're gonna have to promote it. So do you want to spend all day promoting something that you don't like? Or do you want to promote something that you actually are like, ooh, yeah, I like it? You probably want to do the latter, yes? It's like me right now. If I weren't interested in talking to you, I'd be like, yeah, guys, so we're going to talk about your passion, and your passion is this, and I think it's great, and you really need it. Your passion is great. You're going to look at me like, girl, I'm paying you for what? You hate this, right? But you like the energy, hopefully. You like the vibe that I'm giving off, because I like what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting in my office. I'm by myself. I'm like, hey, I'm recording. You want to know real truth? Because this is what we get in this community. My whole family, my husband, my friends are here from out of town. They're all at Top Golf, and I decided to stay. I'm not kidding you. I decided to sit my hiney here because I was like, you know what? I'm really close to finishing this, and just give me like an hour and I'll meet you there later. And that's what I'm doing. Everybody's top golfing, and I'm literally enjoying what I'm doing, and I don't want to quit on my goals for myself. That is the level that I want you to get to. I want you to get to a point that you go, damn, I'm doing this for me. I want to finish it. I want to do the thing that I said I was going to do. And then after that, when you go out and hang out with your friends and you do all the things, you feel so much better about yourself. You feel like successful. You feel good about yourself, right? Because you showed up and you said you were going to do it, and you did it. So that's why we're trying to find our damn passions, okay? Now, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this one time. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to help you. No one is coming to record the work, to do the products, to create your social media content, unless you pay them to do it. So this is why it is extremely important for you to like the thing that you're going to pick in the phases to come. I need you to lock in and say, you know what? I'm picking this, and I really, really like it. And it's okay if you fall off and you go, you know what? I thought I liked it and I didn't. You can always change your mind. But please don't just skim through this and be like, oh, I'm done. Because I need you to lock in and say, I'm going to put in my effort to really find what I like. Because if I like it, I'll show up for it. Okay? Now, you need to be passionate about what it is that you're creating. You need to be passionate also about what it is that you're going to be posting. And you need to be passionate about what it is that you are going to sell if you decide to sell. Okay? Now, there's something very, very prominent that I say online all the time, and you're going to learn one of my famous sayings right now, and that is, lack of passion leads to lack of action. I have said this 1,000 times on social media. If you don't have passion towards the thing, you're not going to show up. If you don't have that love for it, you're not going to do the work. If you don't sit there and go, ooh, yeah, I like it, it's just not going to happen. I don't care how disciplined you are. At one point, you're going to give up because you're going to hate what it is that you're doing, and you're just going to quit. And the reason that we don't want this is because if we do not have passion and we don't have action, hello, we have the same results. That is not what you're here paying me for. You are literally here right now because you want different actions. And the way that we're going to do that is by figuring out what is it that we don't really care about and what it is that we really do care about it. Like I said, if you don't like it, you're not going to show up. You're not going to do the work. You don't care. But the second you figure out, I like this industry, you're going to show up. You're going to put in the work. You're going to learn about it. You're going to want to talk about it. You're going to be all day long. You're going to not want to shut up about it because you like what it is that you're doing. And then guess what happens? All of a sudden, you have passion. And when you have passion and you mix it with action, we get new results. We get new results. That's what we want, okay? We are here for new results. We find our passions. We take actions. We change our life. And then you're happy with me. Yes, I'm happy with you. You're happy with me. Awesome. So the first thing I need you to do is I need you to reframe the way you look at passion, because passion in your brain might mean like, oh, I always love it. That is not the case, okay? We're going to reframe and we're going to remind ourselves that even though I'm passionate about the thing, it doesn't necessarily mean that I need to love it every day. It doesn't mean that I'm never going to doubt myself or doubt the industry that I picked. It doesn't mean that I need to be obsessed with it 24/7. No. It simply means that if I'm passionate about the thing, I care enough to keep showing up. If you care enough about showing up, half the battle is won, okay? Now, the second thing that I want you to do is find what you're passionate about, right? Here, we just talked about we're going to reframe it. Now, we're going to come back over here and say, how do I find what I'm passionate about? And the easiest way to find your passion, your passions, the things that pique your interest, the things that are like, ooh, yes, I love it, is to go online. I'm telling you right now that you have permission to scroll on social media. I want you to think about what is it that you like to talk about? What is it that you like to read about? What is it that you like to learn about? And what is it that you cannot help but watch online? And if you have no idea where to do this on social media or online, this is where you're going to go. On social media, you got Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. You got Pinterest. You got all sorts of new social media channels. If you want to check your emails, I know this sounds super random, but go see the things that you've signed up for. How many promotional emails have you subscribed to? Go look through your emails. And then if you're like, girl, I don't have social media, I don't have emails, which I doubt, then you just need to go do some research. I need you to go online, go to Google, go to ChatGPT, and just start doing your research and saying like, you know what? I'm this type of person. I like these type of things. I like to talk about camels. I like to talk about dogs. I like to talk about bungee jumping. What can I do? ChatGPT will be like, maybe this is what you can create for social media. This is the type of products you can create. Maybe there's a type of community that you would like to join or create, and it'll give you answers, okay? Do your homework, and then as you're doing your homework, I need you to write it down, screenshot your ideas, take notes of every single thing that you go, ooh, I like it. Everything that piques that brain of yours, you're going to write it down. You're going to save it to your favorites because in the future, you're going to need it for what? Your downloads. You're going to need them in the future. I need you to get that list and just write them down. And then once you have that list of passions, you're like, girl, I got 50 things. I only got one thing. I don't care how many you have. Find one. Once you have it, then you're ready for the next video. So go ahead, get your download, find your passions, and whenever you're ready, jump into the next video.